Hi everyone! Welcome back to the world of incredible Korean desserts. Today, we're diving into the famous Fruit Bomb fresh cream cake from a super popular bakery in Gyeongju,
This
Korea.
is so loved that there's a line every single day. They make these cakes fresh daily with tons of real fruit, no shortcuts, just pure abundance. See how they create this fruit overload masterpiece. First step, quality check. Workers carefully inspect boxes of the freshest seasonal fruits, juicy melon, vibrant oranges, plump cherries, and more. Everything looks perfect and ripe. Next, thorough washing. Fruits are rinsed under clean running water in large basins to remove any dirt or residue. Hygiene is top priority here. Gloves, masks, and spotless workspace shine bright and fresh after washing. Now comes the fun part, cutting. They use a powerful fruit cutting machine to slice everything into uniform, bite-sized chunks quickly and safely. Huge piles of melon, orange segments, raspberries, and cherries get chopped in seconds. The machine whirs efficiently. Soon we have massive bowls overflowing with colorful, juicy pieces. No skimping here, the fruit is piled high, ready to dominate the cake. All about that extreme fruit-to-cake ratio. Moving to the cake base, this bakery produces dozens of cakes every day, so they crack and prepare huge amounts of fresh eggs, cartons and sugar for sweetness, then sift in flour to make a smooth, light batter. Everything gets mixed thoroughly until it's perfect. The batter is poured into multiple large sheet pans, thin classic fresh cream cake texture. Into the industrial ovens they go. Golden sheets rise beautifully. In the air with that amazing bakery aroma. Once baked, they're cooled and ready for layering. Time for the cream! It's pure animal-based fresh cream, no artificial stuff. Large quantities go into the industrial mixer. A generous amount of sugar is added. Whipping begins. Watch the cream transform, starting liquid, then thickening, forming stiff, glossy peaks. It's whipped to perfection. Fluffy, and incredibly rich. Bowls of this luxurious cream are prepped in bulk. Assembly line time. This is where the magic happens. A cooled cake sheet becomes the base.
Even layer of fresh whipped cream is spread generously. Then comes the fruit bomb. Handful after handful of chopped fruits are piled on. Melon chunks,
Berries, orange pieces, cherries, really letting them overflow the edges for that dramatic look. No holding back, it's 70 to 80% fruit. The visual goes on top, more cream, more fruit heaps. Repeat for 2 to 3 layers, building tall, towering cakes. Get smoothed on the sides if needed, but the focus stays on the overflowing fresh fruit top. They make several at once, mass production in full swing. Fresh for the day. Final touches, a beautiful top layer of even more vibrant fruits arranged artfully, making each cake look like a colorful explosion. Sell for around 28,000 karu each, totally worth it for the freshness and portion. Happy birthday to anyone celebrating today.
May your day be as sweet and full as these fruit bombs. Thanks so much for watching.
Like if you'd love to try one, and subscribe for more satisfying food processes. See you in the next one. Bye! A small bakery in Korea to your screen. Pure freshness and abundance captured in every frame.